So much for your grand schemes of using Davina for revenge.
Survival first. Plots to overthrow my brother second. Where would Marcel hide something precious to him?
You think I'm just gonna offer that up? So you can leave me here to rot? Water runs downhill. You think I have to go drown before to know how much that'll suck?
Fire kills vampires, Thierry. You think burning to ash will be pleasant? Look, I am not forsaking you. I promise to live up to my end of the deal and get you out of here when all of this is done. Just tell me where Marcel would go.
There's a place by the docks.
I can just wait it out a few more weeks. Help me, please.
I will. And when it's over, I'll do what I should have done and get you out of town.
I had a dream that Tim wasn't dead. And he played a song that he wrote for me. And he kissed me. And we were just normal.
That sounds like a beautiful dream.
What are you doing here?
But it was just a dream.
Get out!
This is killing her. Your stubbornness will mean her death.
I promised her I'd fight for her. I'm not breaking that promise.
No one is asking you not to fight. You're the only family that this girl has. You owe it to her to fight for her to live.